Hello there, you are welcome to this channel. This is Ghaneva Air channel and my name is Ghaneva. This channel is all about personal development, business tips and lifestyle as well. Today's episode, we are going to be talking about Nigeria importation. If you are someone that you always look forward to import from Nigeria, then today's video is for you. Today's video is going to have a lot of goodies. Trust me on this. If you never trust anyone, just trust me on this. So please do well to watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you free goodies, guys. So before we go straight to the point and talk about what this video is about, please do well to subscribe to the channel. This is a small channel that we are growing, so please do well to be part of this community. This is a very beautiful community, so do well to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you would want me to know who is watching this video, then I really love to know who you are watching me. So let me know in the comment section where you are watching me from. Now let's get into the video. So today's video is Nigeria importation. We are going to talk about how you can go into Nigeria importation plus free suppliers. I'm going to give you as well. That's the free goodies I'm talking about. So I have everything down here that we are going to talk about. So first of all, in Nigeria importation, there isn't any sites that you can import from Nigeria. I haven't seen anything like that anywhere. That in Nigeria, if you want to order something from Nigeria, you can have a site and buy something from there. I haven't seen anything like that. So if you have, just let me know in the comment section so we can also benefit as well. You can't keep it alone. Since I haven't seen anything like that, I believe there isn't anything like that. So all Nigeria suppliers, they are all in groups, WhatsApp groups, just like Turkey suppliers as well. So Nigeria suppliers sell their things in groups, that's WhatsApp groups, and I'm going to give you these suppliers for free. Just click on the title of this video and check the description box to get free suppliers contact. It's a full course that I got a lot of time just to prepare for you. Yes, for all of my subscribers, this is a free gift for you as well. If you are also not one of my subscribers, it is for you as well. So do well to be part of this beautiful community. Okay, in this course I also taught you how you can chat these suppliers so they know that you are bossy in this business as well. So the second thing you need to know before you can go into Nigeria importation is that their items are in Naira. We all know that each country has their own currency. Mine is Ghana cedis, that's in Ghana, and Nigeria own too. It is in Naira. So if you want to buy from Nigeria, you have to pay in Naira. Now the big question is, how do I pay in Naira? That's where free goodies is in this video. So I've also given you paying agents in Nigeria that they can pay for you so that you can get your items. They are going to pay for you in Naira. This is a full course that I also teach you how you would change your cedis to Naira. If you're already in Nigeria, that's a bonus for you. So check the same description box and get access to it. That is at a cost, a very low cost. Just go and check it and you would understand what I'm trying to say. Don't stop watching this video because there is a lot of more goodies in this video. So you should know that when you are buying from Nigeria, you pay in Naira. The third thing you need to know before you order from Nigeria, or before you can go into Nigeria importation, is that you need to know how to convert these item prices to Ghana cedis. So that's what I was talking about in the course. So if you click on the course, you would know I've given you a very detailed example of how you can convert it to Ghana cedis. If you are in Ghana, if you're already in Nigeria, that's a bonus for you. And if you are already in other countries, I'm so sorry. I don't know how you can convert yours. So sorry. Okay. So sorry. I know Nigeria and Ghana people watching me are going to benefit a lot from this video. I know I have a lot of subscribers from other countries as well. Thank you guys. I'm so sorry. Yours will be coming very soon. Now, the fourth thing that you need to know before you can go into Nigeria importation is that use rates in all payments. You will use rates in transport except in the warehouse keeper. Except in the warehouse. Sorry. When I mean the warehouse keeper, what I mean is that the keeper is going to charge you. Okay. So let me explain this. So when you are ordering from Nigeria and your things get into Ghana, you are going to pay in Naira as well. As compared to China importation, that when you order from China and your things get to Ghana in the warehouse, you pay in Ghana cedis. But for Nigerian importation, when your things get into Ghana, you are going to pay in Naira. So use this same paying agent to pay for you as well. I hope you get this. But warehouse keeper, maybe you are not close to the warehouse that's where your things go to and you can't take it the same day. Do you know that? Wait. I'm getting emotional right now because I went through something there. That thing, we will talk about it later in another video. But let me explain this to you. So when it get to the warehouse and you are not close to the warehouse, you are going to pay for a fee so that you get your things, because the driver would be leaving the things to some people, and these people, their job is to keep people's things and you pay for them. So when you are not close to the warehouse that you can't take it the same day, you are going to pay for it. So that payment, you are not going to pay in Naira, but you are going to pay in Ghana cedis. That's what I mean by you are going to pay all of your charges in Naira except warehouse keeper. That's why I added keeper. So if you are in Nigeria, I know you are going to skip this part of warehouse keeper. Yeah. So let's go into another point. The fifth point is shoes and bag suppliers. So the suppliers that I have, they sell shoes, they sell bags, they sell hair. If you are also a supplier and you would like me to make a video and add your contact to my video for people to reach out to you, you can send me hi on TikTok, or you can email me with this email as well. My TikTok account is also in the description box. So these suppliers that I'm giving you, they sell shoes, they sell bags, they sell hair as well. So go and download it for free. And if they post these items and you don't understand anything, just reach out to the supplier and I'm very sure she or he would explain more to you. And if you download the course, that's a very small course that I did, you would know how you can convert your Naira into cedis without stressing anyone. The sixth point is paying agents. Yeah, you have to also get paying agent as well. So this paying agent is also in the description box. Get access to them. Now, the seventh thing that you need to know before you go into Nigeria importation is the benefits and the challenges. Let me tell you this. Every business in this world has its own benefits and its own challenges. That is why I have done a separate video, detailed video of benefits of Nigerian importation and challenges of Nigerian importation. So please click the description box as well to watch a very detailed video about that. But let me give you an example of the benefit of Nigerian importation compared to China importation. So when you order from Nigeria, your things are going to arrive very early compared to China. And when you order from Nigeria, talking with your suppliers, it's on a very easy level compared to Chinese suppliers that would have to chat them in Chinese. If you want to know how to chat suppliers in Chinese, let me know in the comment section, so I'll make a very full detailed video. Is this channel is deep inside your success. So whenever I'm talking, you hear me talking about detail. Yeah, that's what I am about. If you want to know how to chat Chinese suppliers in Chinese, let me know in the comment section as well. So another benefit of Nigerian importation is that you would chat them in English. So there's no stress. Yes. And let me say two challenges of Nigerian importation. This is where I was laughing when I was talking about the warehouse keeper. Some people can stress you. See, some people people can stress you. Don't even know how to put out their words. Like they don't even know how to talk. Like they like shouting at people. They would frustrate you. And when you are like you're going to also meet lovely people. Lovely people. So challenges in Nigerian importation is that if you don't get a good driver to bring your things, you're going to be stressed. My last importation from Nigeria that I captured that moment, that's the clothes and the shoes that I ordered from Nigeria. Could you believe me that this driver removed the boxes of my shoes? That's the Jordan sneakers I ordered for someone, and this driver removed the boxes. Just tell me, why would someone pay a lot of money to order Jordan sneakers and you remove the boxes? How would it even be beautiful again? But this driver removed it. And how they did the thing, like after removing the box, you keep the things neat. It was somehow dirty. Like I knew it was dirty. So I captured this. I took a picture of the sneakers and I sent it to the suppliers that look at what I received. There is no boxes. In the picture, there was a box. So why is it that when I got it, there is no box? And she was explaining to me that a lot of people has reached out to her and they were saying the same thing, that their things are dirty, some of their things are not in there. And I'm like, if you know this driver always give you like frustrations back to back, why would you still use her as your driver? Why would, like, if I say this, supplier say this, if I say, then I just said, okay, what can I do? It is what it is. So this person who ordered for me as well too is my childhood friend. He's a guy. So you see, guys are very cool. When you explain things to them, they would understand. So when I just explained things to him, he understood, and that's how I was saved. Imagine it was a total stranger. Hmm. Yeah, so there are a lot of challenges in all the importation, okay, in all the importation. And another challenge that I found in Nigerian importation is with the clothes. The clothes has a lot of threads. It's like after they sew these things, they didn't get the time to remove the threads from the clothes. I have to get time to move. When I say thread, not like one thread I remove, I go. These thread were a lot, and that's another thing I didn't find very satisfying, because I've never ordered from China to find out that there's a lot of threats on that. So there are a lot of challenges and benefits as well. That's why I've made separate videos. So please do well to check these video links in the description box and get access to them, so you will know what you are about to do. Don't say that I watched Ghaneva and that's why I ordered and see what I got. I don't want to be hearing that. So check this video and make your decision that, okay, I've seen everything, now I want to order. I hope you get me. Yes. Now let me also tell you some of the things that you need to know before you go into Nigerian importation. You should also know that Transport charges can be frustrating. I've said that. And it can be frustrating with the suppliers not replying you. I've not said that. Oh, especially when they know that they are wrong. Guys, we all do this. We all do this. You see, sometimes we know we are wrong, but we don't want to accept it. So they chat us and we will take them. Have I done that before? Once in a while. Yes. So sometimes you will chat to your suppliers and they will decide that they won't reply. Yes, you should also be ready for that. See, anything can happen at any time. Let me tell you this one story. So I'm not close to my shipping company. So whenever my things arrive, they bring it to my location. So I use a delivery guy, that's the delivery system, to bring my things to my location. Someone charged me a small package of a bus of 200 Ghana cedis to send it to the delivery guy, just to send it to the delivery location, the delivery office to get my things. He charged me 200 Ghana cedis. That's the Camofoti Pro that I did unboxing on this channel. That's how much the guy charged me 200 cedis for that small box. If you watch that video, you see the box is really small. The video too is in the description box. You see the box is really small. He charged me 200 Ghana cedis. Now, I just recently did sack unboxing, a really huge big sack, and I used a different person at the warehouse to send my things to the delivery office so that it will get to my location. That person charged me 50 Ghana cedis for that big sack. I was like, does this person mean 500 Ghana cedi that he forgot to add zero to the to the other zero? I asked again and he was like, oh yeah, 50 cedis. I was like, wow. So in importation, there are a lot of things that will come to you back to back. Sometimes you go through a lot of things back to back, but you should know that in every business there is a challenges. Okay, so when they happen, find a way to deal with that stress. Okay, deal with that stress as well. That's why this channel is about personal development as well, because there are a lot of things happening in our lives, and if you don't have certain skills, certain knowledge in this life, you are going to be frustrated, especially your country's economy. So I would end this video here, and I know you've learned a lot of things from this video. Please, if you have anything else, if I didn't talk about anything, if you have any concern, just let me know in the comment section. If I can help, I'll do everything in my possible best to help you as well. If you are watching me too and you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me on TikTok. I'm on TikTok now. Yes, and you can reach out to me with this email as well. You can reach out to me joining my Telegram group and you send me a message there. I would also reply you as well. You can reach out to me by joining my WhatsApp channel as well. So thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, please do what to like as well. If you found this video helpful, please do what to like this video. Subscribe to this channel because this channel is a small channel that we are growing together. So support your girl here and subscribe to the channel as well. I would love to know where you are watching me from. Very important to me. Okay, I want to connect with you all, so do well to let me know in the comment section as well. And I will end with this video here. I'll end this video here. Ghaneva edge deep inside real success. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.